guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime we uploaded a new video, you will be forced to watch. So, I'm here to also give a shout out to my beautiful and amazing member. Shout out to all my members. Shout out to you, C&G family, and shout out to you as well, Julian's Vlog. A big shout out to every one of you. I greet you all. According to your time, my beautiful people. Yes, so my country people. May I first sing this song for now. May I first sing this song. What's that a song or sang? I don't know. It don't happen, it don't happen. It don't happen, it don't happen. Water don't pass Gary or God don't run away. No, it don't happen. Don't shell. Hey, what did they play, my people? My small YouTubers, what did they play? Oh, how na dey na? How na pass una Valentine? I know, say, with the small YouTuber, not be small too. Now, I know, say, we sabi do a Boston. After this Valentine, now, we don't pass, so, may we dey watch, may we see the first person, we go first, or on bust our bed. Mona take her easy, oh. Mona not break bed, though. Mona not call the bust bed, though. I greet you. Mona not take her person and a joke I do. So, for real, let's go to business now. For real, what you carry me come here today? When I say, make I just come analyze for now, make I come just talk and sharp as it dey hot. So now see this video where they waka, where they spread, they go for social media. So this our sister, where hold that boy Rason, that her boyfriend Rason say, now that boy na give her belle. The boy say he travel for 9 months, and the friends come they tell her say, something they share with your baby that they say with another man. You understand? And the boy even say, he even see bossa for the girl room. He even see trouser, another man bossa for the girl room. You understand? So he can't say no be get that belle. Even that video, that first video where if come out, I say, be like all these people they be comedian, they had drama. I can't say this video. I know they carry. I believe all of you don't see that video. I believe so. So now I can't they put it here down. Say, be like all these people now comment their real. The boy even talk and reach like that. Say, I been not because saying the back car. Now make you can't they use this belly to the chugoma. The boy really deny say not being get that picking. But the girl say like yeah, now your own. Now you get this picking. And both our friends where did they say, nah that boy now get that picking. Even me myself, I call they say, why boys go to deny Peking not be waiting that they deny. You understand? So, now be that one don't pass. Come off for ground. So, few days ago now, and yesterday the tea your lang the bar for social media again. Say the girl, sure. Say the girl don't deliver at last. She don't born. Wow, I can't say congratulations to her. Guess what? Hey, wonder shall never end. Now no say that boy. It true talk say no big get the belly. So they can't go do tests. They can't go do DNA tests. They can't go do tests. According to the boy, because this video I be one bring and call for now. Now for that you see and see the video of these two people when they talk about so it be don't come out premiere yesterday. No, the white they don't want money no, they give me yellow dollar sign. So now I just kukuma remove am, you understand? Now I come say e good make I come myself, make I come analyze this issue for una. For real, wetin dey go on? Because that boy for that first video wey dey first do, the boy true talk am say the pikin no be you, say na so our guests dey want make dem dey use another person belle take dey tie man down for this Europe wey we dey. So that thing not true good. I know say I be woman, so wetin woman like me do, no be say I dey judge woman like me. I know say some people they will come across this video now come dey talk say I dey judge woman like me, say no be so, don't judge. I'm not judging her, but a lot of things are going on in this social media in this Europe that we are today. So belle wey man no give you, you wan use am take tie that man down, e no good. And I come still jam another video again for inside social media. You know say we will be blogger now, we dey waka well. No be all video we dey fit dey carry, but our ear dey hear many things. Now I say may I see add on to this video. And if you be woman, you dey watch me now, you dey true dey do this thing. You know say that your this thing no get padlock. You dey open now and close. Abeg, go and buy aboliki, as Mommy Yore said. Salt and Water Ministry say Mona dey buy aboliki, they keep for house. If the thing they do now, tiririn Mona put aboliki, it go come down. Yes. Now this Europe, I can see say a lot of our women out there, not be only Germany, because many people they say Germany, this thing for they happen. Not be only Germany. I don't still see many for Spain where they here. You understand? So that German way that they talk, now so they'll go meet Kokobiri, now so they'll go meet what it be their name, Morocchino. Now so they'll go meet this one, now so they'll go meet Bragadis. Yes, they really they do one. Not be saying a person tell me my eye rich one. We be say she get 3 color of children. These 3 children when I know now they not get fist papa say see their papa. Their mom never present their dad to them one day, say this is your father, which is very bad. Those women where they spoil we women name is not really good of you people. It's not good, because what the person not eat, you call the same for body. You say I not be woman like you. All those things we call the apple now, it can't make say many of our men they not call they get that trust again for. Some of our male, they not call they get that trust again for a lot of women out there. Now I say, may I come advise una, may I come beg una, women out there. If you know, say you get this kind of behavior, please give your life to Christ, change. Or your man they travel, you can't wait for him. You know if you wait. You know what I first talk yours now. You better go buy a boliki rub. May you take the put for the teammate for the condom. As I say, you know if you close your leg. If you see Moroccan, you go open now. If you see Senegalese, you go open now. If you see this Bragadis, you go open now. Wait to. May I ask you now one question? Now so all these Bragadis women, now so that they open leg for our Niger people, our Niger men. And now so Senegalese Kokobiri. Now don't see Kokobiri woman we married our Nigeria. For me now, I never see. Now don't see Moroccan as well. This thing is really getting out of hand. Make una change. Make una change for good. Not be only Nigeria, there is Europe. Any small thing, Nigeria. Any small thing, Nigeria. Anywhere we go. So till they can say for one city like that, say what our people, what they don't redo many. If they even call Ogbalegbe, not they even the men again. Una no get shame. Una no get shame. Make una change before it will too late. So on this matter, now I say may I bring comfort now. My people. As I they talk before, that woman will say pregnant for that our Daki, our black boy, our Nigeria boy. The girl na Nigeria as well, Nigeria girl. The pikin where she born now, say na Igbo. So pikin where you pregnant for Igbo, now you want to say tell our black boy say na he get her. And another one where I still see yesterday for Salt and Water Ministry, for Mommy Yore ministry. Another case again. This lady say she go Nigeria. She always go Nigeria. And me one country they trust we will be women. Say I want go Nigeria, come go visit. He go Nigeria. He even go to sleep with the husband papa. What poor abomination. And the advice what they give that girl now. He say, now your husband papa now give you belle. Now the same now. Now your husband still get that belle. No. My sister, if you dey listen to this message, better tell your husband the truth, because your conscience will judge you all the days of your life. You will regret it in future. You understand? You better open up, confess your sin to God and your husband, so that he will know if he will forgive you. If he will not forgive you, now akara wey you like, now you buy chop. It cannot hold there. So now this story, now I say me I come quick talk sharp come off for road. Now my people, I know what made this video pass this one. So if you know say this thing you dey do am, stop am. And you know person wey dey do am, kindly share this video so that it will get to them. Share this message to all the women all over the world. And another thing, my people, this Sweet Mothers TV, I don't see una dey like her. Yes, una show us love, una support us, may we take grow. We are just a small YouTuber. As a big YouTuber that you are, if you come through this channel, you want to show support. Money is not everything. Share our video. Share our video so that we one day will cause it get to una level. And if you want still support with small thing, just go that journey button over there. My membership is there as well. Hit the join button. Just support us. If now 1 month you want to support, it's €1.99. Support us. If it's only 1 month, you can even come out. You can be there supporting us as well. If you want to join the second one, you can join. And the third one, you can also join. If you are looking for your watch hour, I can help you to achieve it fast. So, thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give a video a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe for us, because more is on the way coming. Thank you all for watching again. Bye bye. Bye 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 everyone.